Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello friends, checking back in with gold daily, weekly, shorter term time frames. So we've got our bullish reversal candlestick. We had a lower low hit today, breaking key 1308 support, and that was a little bit of a potential fake out, flushing out the last of the stop losses before turning things around and closing strong at the high of the day. We have not broken the lower high pattern on the daily yet, so we need to see follow through tomorrow. We need confirmation tomorrow, and we've got the job data coming out in the morning. That's going to have a big effect. So the weekly time frame is bouncing perfectly off that middle Bollinger Band support, and if we close here or better tomorrow, it's going to be a nice bullish reversal candlestick on the weekly, and we are going to be looking for some short-term upside in both gold and miners. So let's look at gold. The 4-hour downtrend line is still intact. We're right there. We formed a doji. Wasn't liking that doji at the end of the day in terms of swinging any positions overnight. I want a break of 13.19.15 to see a convincing break. We broke the short-term lower high pattern, but I want to start taking out some of these other levels. 13.19.15, 13.28.55, and we'll take it from there. But the hourly chart has turned things around, looking like a potential bull flag, although we would need to see follow-through sooner rather than later. And we're looking at the uptrend resistance, or this is the downtrend resistance line on the 4-hour chart. And we need to see if that can be broken clearly on the 4-hour chart. Let's look at the miners. If we see a bearish reaction, let's go back here real quick. If we see a bearish reaction to the jobs data first thing, and we see a quick pullback, it's a potential bottom fishing entry opportunity, looking for the bulls to show back up. We know knee-jerk reactions are certainly common, and if that were the case, it would be a nice dip buying opportunity, and you would exit looking at the miners. So let's say we had an initial pullback, and the miners dumped real quick, and let's say JNUG got down into the $16 area, you could get in and then you would exit if the low of yesterday were to break, as that would affirm weakness. But could be looking for a knee-jerk reaction for a bullish entry if not already in, but a very strong close for the miners. Nice solid volume. Target for JNUG is 1986, the 100-day moving average resistance. NUGT target is $21, where we had established support. That's now going to be resistance, and I cannot stress enough how badly these miners need another green day tomorrow to confirm the bullish reversal candlestick. And that would have these weekly charts looking really good. We already have the bullish reversal candlesticks forming, and if we get a doji or better, it's going to be looking really good for NUGT and JNUG into next week. So definitely looking for a short-term trend change. Numbers tomorrow will be very important. We've been watching the dollar. The dollar broke down. This is the daily chart. And we were looking for lower highs and lower lows to remain intact, and 96.50 was that level. So we topped out at 96.25, then we pulled back, rejected from 96.24. We had a double top, and we're confirming the bearish reversal doji. We did not confirm the last couple bearish reversal dojis. This one is absolutely confirmed. I've got a target of 95 psychological, previous resistance, and then this uptrend line on the daily, which is in the mid $94 range. So I think this is a trend change for gold in the short term. I'm looking for higher lows and higher highs to begin forming on the 4-hour. Keep in mind, we have not established a higher low yet. We just went right from the low and are now trying to bounce. So I'm looking for a pullback and a higher low, and then continuation and higher highs. And maybe that pullback is going to come with that data tomorrow morning. I will certainly be ready and looking to potentially pounce pre-market if I see some signals I like, and looking for some follow through on these miners. I appreciate you watching. We'll see how tomorrow goes, and we'll wrap it up at the end of the week tomorrow.